I'm at Langley Mill again today at the boat rally put on by the society that preserves the Erewash Canal. First stop, some craft boats. Don't know what to expect, but let's go and have a look. Now this is interesting. Refillable, eco-friendly products, and there's loads of the stuff. Tash,
hello.
Dreamcatcher.
Yes.
It's got a bit of history.
So, yes,
oh, you've made a bit of history.
We have, yes. So our boat was called Dreamcatcher when we bought it. We met doing Kilimanjaro, and then we discovered there was 80 plus other Dreamcatchers on the network. So we translated it to Swahili for Dreamcatcher, which is Kamatadoto.
Oh, what a nice touch.
It is. Not many people can pronounce it, so we're rapidly becoming known as the boat that we can't pronounce.
Well, I was having trouble.
Yeah, or Wakamoto, or Guacamole.
What do you do then? It's sort of recycled.
So all of our products we tend to buy.
Are they recycled?
Yes. So I think upcycling is the right expression, isn't it? Yes. So the products that Paul paints, we buy in charity shops. So obviously the charities benefit from buying the products.
Okay.
And then Paul paints them and we sell them. The bottles, obviously, are all bottles that get donated by other people, because we don't drink all those bottles ourselves. And we decorate the bottles. Candles, we recycle. You get the bits of wax left in the bottom of the candles. We recycle them. We make candles, and then the cleaning products are
all. What about soap? What always annoys me, you go for a shower or a bath, and you can never use all the soap, can you?
No, you can't.
A little bit. So maybe that could be...
It could be, but we buy our cleaning products in, and we buy them from a company called Minimal, which are based in Yorkshire.
Right.
We were based in Yorkshire originally, so we're supporting local companies, and there's a young couple that set the business up just before COVID.
Yeah.
Because if you start making stuff like that on board, or food or drinks, there's a whole other raft of insurances and legislation. So that's why we don't make our own. But yes, making your own soap out of bits of soap is a good idea.
Yeah, or maybe
but from a business point of view, it's not.
Bit of wood in the middle of it when it's made. You know, commercially when they make it, then you're not going to have all that wastage, are you?
So all the cleaning products are sold by the 100 mils, and it's refillable, so people bring their bottles and we refill them. Or we do have a supply of plastic bottles people give us when they've run out of things.
And what's your best seller? Or your popular seller,
popular
should I say?
sellers, Canal art. We sell lots of Canal art. We sell lots of macrame, banana hangers and fruit hangers.
When you say Canal art, you're talking about these?
Yes, all the roses and the castles.
Okay.
Things like this as well, the castles on.
Okay.
Paul also does commission work as well with the Canal art. He's just done a couple of panels to go on the back of someone else's boat, to go on the back of their boat doors.
Oh right, okay.
So he does things like that. And then with the cleaning products, I think the best seller is washing up liquid. And then yes, we do the storage, macrame storage, which is appealing to people in vans. So you get the whole boat life thing, but you get the whole van life thing as well.
Yeah, well,
so
there's certainly a crossover when you live in that lifestyle.
Yeah. And we met a couple earlier actually who are tattooists, and they said we should try and go to some tattoo festivals because the Canal art and the macrame would go well at tattoo festivals as well.
Yeah, it's very similar sort of art style, isn't it?
Yes, it is, yeah. So it's just tapping into the different markets.
Feeling all the way through, really.
Yeah.
Well, it's great to chat to you,
Thank
Tash.
you, and you.
And I shall go and have a see what else I can find.
Yeah, brilliant. Thank you very
much.
much.
All right, thank you very much.
Yeah, we look forward to meeting up.
What an interesting concept of recycling there on that boat that I cannot possibly pronounce. There's just loads of boats, some of them double-breasted, down here at the Erewash Canal, just towards the Nottingham side. of the Northern Basin, or the Canal Basin as it's better known nowadays. There are some tomato plants there. Wonder if they're for sale. Could do with a few tomato plants. I usually grow them from seed. But you know what? I forgot all about it this year. Must be an age thing. Kendall water. I always find it fascinating where boats get their names from. A little bit like the names of beers, really. The sun's come out, taking my jacket off. Making my way back now to the main arena, or everything is sort of happening. Even the dogs are looked after down here. I'm not sure they can read though. So Rod, you're involved in the Chesterfield Canal Trust?
Yeah, I'm the publicity officer for the Chesterfield Canal Trust.
Okay,
yeah.
So what's that all about?
Well, we aim to get the canal fully restored. Of the 20 miles which needed to be restored originally, 12 miles have been done, 37 locks, 11 major bridges, couple of marinas, but we've still got 8 or 9 miles to do, and we're campaigning to get that done.
Is that all sort of money that you've raised, or the CRT?
No. The work that's gone on up to now has come from all kinds of sources. A lot from things like landfill grants and that sort of stuff, because they're going through places where there used to be pits, and so there's that sort of money is being available, and European regional development money. But we as a trust have just got £5.3 million of levelling up money from the Staveley Town deal.
Sounds a lot, but I'm sure it's not in the cold light of day.
£5.3 million sounds like £5.3 million, but in 2020 what you could get for £5.3 million when we put in the bid and decided what you wanted to do, compared to 2023, are very different. So we can do about half as much as we were hoping to do, but we're still going to get about 1,000 metres of canal restored. We're having a siphon pipe, we're having two new bridges.
What's a siphon pipe?
A siphon pipe is to take water, because the canal's got to drop down to go under a railway line and up the other side. So we're having a siphon pipe to get the water from one side to the other.
Okay, so you've got a flow. Effectively.
And a couple of new bridges, but we are still doing all the multi-user trail that we're going to have. So we've got about 2.5 miles of that is going to be installed, which will be great. So we are still doing a lot, but not as much as we were hoping to be able to do.
For people that don't know, where is Chesterfield? The town of its
Chesterfield.
Crooked Spire there?
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, it's Crooked Spire there. It's about 10 miles south of Sheffield, going down towards Derby and Nottingham.
Is it classed as a Peak District? Chesterfield? Or
It's
is it
just on the edge of the Peak
on the
District.
edge?
Yes, yeah. So we get visitors from the Peak District, and we run boat trips there.
Okay.
So you know, we advertise through Visit Peak District website.
Parrot and owl rescue. Wonder what that's all about. I imagine the clue is in the name.
With rescue animals, you haven't got a clue. So what she was doing?
Something startled.
No, she's been mistreated by a male being booted around the head.
So she does recognise.
No, she doesn't like me to watch.
Oh right, okay.
Watch this. Watch your eyes. Watch my face. That's not even getting close. She's upset because I got her out of the cage yesterday. Not yesterday. Yeah, yesterday morning. And because I got her wrong way, not nicely out, to get her anklets on. So you remembered what had gone on in her past life.
Right. Like dogs. Yeah. Like
Thanks,
humans.
sir. Yeah, thanks, sir. And she doesn't forget it. But Kaylee, I'll collect and walk up to her, and she's a bit different to me. She'll calm down, she'll go back to a normal shelf again when she gets that trust back again. But because I've upset her yesterday morning, and there's fraction something wrong, she's not happy with me.
Right, okay.
And that's because a male person, where she lived originally, bought it for a 4-year-old child. As a pet.
Oh, that's
Oh, there we go. Look at that.
you're a crackpot.
They want to expand, or accidentally, they use their
He's liking his cups at the minute.
So how long is this a parrot?
It's an umbrella cockatoo.
Oh right, okay.
It is a parrot. Parrot's a generic term for things with a beak like that.
Okay. Okay, and how long did it take to train to turn over at the sort of pop of a...
It took a little while to calm down and make him friendly, because he was quite aggressive when we got him.
Right.
He's not anymore. He's lovely.
And these are all from the wild, or
No, these
people
are all
have-
captive bred. The ones that people have had as a pet.
And
then for whatever reason they don't want to keep them anymore.
Okay.
So then we'll give them a home, and we give them a home for the rest of their lives.
Oh, nice one. And how
So-
many have you got altogether?
Too many. I've got
Too many.
70 parrots in the house and 30
Blimey.
owls in the garden.
Where do you live? A mansion?
No, a bungalow. Nope.
I bet you get through a bit of
Food.
trill. Did they trill?
These, well,
It
seeds,
used to be a
yes.
branded name, didn't it?
It
Trill.
did, yeah. That was for budgies.
Oh right,
Yeah,
okay.
Yeah, no,
Shows-
we get through a lot of rats, mice, and day-old chicks,
Right,
and quail,
okay.
and rabbits, and yeah.
Right.
And we have a special man-made food that we give to the parrots as well.
Okay. And have they all got names?
Oh yes.
And do they answer? Do they?
Not really.
Not really.
No, but we know them all different. They're all personalities.
Yeah.
And they're all different personalities. They all have different names. Most of them have the name that they came with.
Okay.
So you know, if one comes with a name, we keep it generally.
And what's this one called?
This one's called Rio.
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 Oh right. Hello, Rio.
Yeah. And he's
Hello.
lovely. He's really lovely.
Oh.
Aren't you? He just likes cuddles off his mum.
Oh. That's been great talking to you.
All right,
Thank you very much.
All right. Cheers.
Thank you,
Darling. Oh yeah, I do.
You want me to go and do it, or would you?
I'll do it.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Yeah, all right, mate. Yeah.
Good.
You're doing all right then.
Yeah, not too bad. Not too bad, yeah.
So how long have you been? Is it all right to chat to you?
Depends what you're doing with it.
On a YouTube channel,
Oh, yeah, what's it called?
Beery Boater. I'm fitting a boat out at the moment. It
Oh,
was
yeah.
just
Oh, look, yeah. Yeah, I'm just eating
Yeah.
two sandwich, but apart from that, yeah.
I like cheese. Yeah. So how long have you been training?
Trading, 6 years now. With a COVID break in the middle of it all, yeah, 6
Yeah.
years, yeah. Yeah,
And-
going well. Good festival. This is probably one of the best ones we've done for a long time.
It's the first time I've been, to be honest.
Boating wise, boating
Yeah,
friendly
'cause
festival.
normally goes
This is-
crick, but obviously that's this
Yeah,
week,
a
isn't
bit
it?
different
But
cricket, a bit more commercial. Isn't it?
Yeah.
This is a bit more canal based, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, good.
friendly and local.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah,
Yeah.
all good. Hello, Jackie.
That's fantastic.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot.
Yes.
The pump house. Let's go and have a look what this is all about. Ah, looks like a steam engine here, or traction engine. Medium size, I'm guessing. That steam generated pumping engine was the original, and this in the green box is a modern version.
Maybe that's what it is. Right.
The boating community really is sort of self-sufficient. Can even get some reflexology here. Wild garlic pesto from the fridge. Think about that. I do like garlic, but I'm going out tonight. I'll be in close proximity with people, so I'll probably give the garlic a miss.
Oh yeah.
I was just going to say, I think an ice cream is in order. And it's gone and shut. I don't know. That was a rather quick, a rather rushed visit. But next time, next year, I'll make sure I get in early.